Are you ready to upgrade your toolkit and power through your projects like a pro? From advanced grinding wheels to innovative pressure washers, we've rounded up the 12 coolest new tools on Amazon that will take your work to the next level. Let's dive in. Number 1. The XCB Diamond Concrete Grinding Wheel 4.5 inch is a game changer for polishing and cleaning tough surfaces like stone, concrete, marble, rock, and even granite. This double-row segmented wheel is specifically designed for use with angle grinders, making it perfect for tackling concrete and fieldstone. With its double-segment configuration, you get faster material removal, whether you're working on concrete, ceramic, tile, marble, or other surfaces. It's also ideal for removing thinset, glues, and epoxies with precision and speed. The 5mm segment height ensures smooth and durable performance, and you can use it on both wet and dry surfaces without a problem. Whether you're finishing surfaces on concrete or natural stone like granite, this high-quality grinding wheel offers reliable, efficient performance. It's a versatile tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, delivering the results you need effortlessly. Number 2. This 4-in-1 multi-purpose electrician's pliers is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. With the ability to cut, grip, crimp, and strip insulated and non-insulated wires ranging from 12 to 20 AWG, it packs impressive versatility into one compact tool. The tapered head design makes it easy to navigate tight spaces, while the gripping nose with small teeth handles pulling, holding, twisting, and bending wires effortlessly. Comfort matters, and the ergonomically designed non-slip PVC handles ensure a secure and comfortable grip, even during long tasks. Built with durable chrome vanadium steel, this tool is finely polished and blackened to prevent rust, ensuring a long service life. At just under 7 inches in length and with a lightweight, compact design, it's easy to handle and store. This plier combines practicality, durability, and convenience for all your electrical needs. You'll wonder how you worked without it. Number 3. This round cable stripper with adjustable cutting depth is a must-have for anyone handling cables regularly. You can easily adjust the cutting depth up to 5mm to match the thickness of the insulation layer, giving you complete control and precision. Built from high-quality ABS and carbon steel, this tool is durable and reliable, and the replaceable blades, which can be used on both sides, make it incredibly practical. Its rolling gear design ensures a snug fit around cables, delivering accuracy while smoothing out the stripping process. It's thoughtfully designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing strain while allowing peeling and cutting in any direction. Perfect for stripping insulation layers, it's especially handy for cable stripping tasks. With the ability to handle round cables of at least 25mm in diameter and a maximum cutting depth of 5mm, this tool makes cable work much easier and more efficient. Number 4. DC Cargo Mall E-Track ratchet straps are a reliable solution for safely securing heavy cargo. With an impressive assembly brake strength of 3,000 pounds and a safe working load limit of 1,000 pounds, these 2 inches by 16 feet straps are perfect for keeping your load secure in box trucks, cargo vans, trailers, and warehouses. Their convenient E-Track system features spring fittings at each end, making them easy to attach to E-Track rails or single slots. Made from durable yellow polyester webbing, these straps resist water and UV rays and won't shrink or stretch when wet, ensuring long-term reliability. The steel ratchet provides unbeatable security, even during rough journeys. Using them is simple. Just thread the loose strap end, pull the webbing tight, and lock the lever down for a secure hold. Whether you're transporting large or small items, these straps deliver peace of mind and dependable performance every time. Number 5. The Kemamoto Magnetic Cup Holder is a brilliant solution for keeping your drinks secure and accessible in any setting. Designed to fit cups and bottles with diameters from 2.67 inch to 3.85, it works with most 12 to 32 ounce bottles and mugs, making it universally compatible. With powerful magnets, there's no need for drilling, and it won't scratch the surface it's placed on. Whether it's on ships, trucks, RVs, mowers, refrigerators, or even treadmills, this holder clings to metal surfaces like a pro. Thanks to its heavy-duty construction, water bottles stay upright without tipping or spilling, and the silicone coaster prevents cups from scratches and rattling. Made of sturdy aluminum alloy with a rust-resistant coating, it's built to last for years. Capable of holding up to 6.6 pounds, it's reliable and perfect for steady placement, ensuring durability and convenience wherever you need it most. Number 6. This cordless electric pressure washer compatible with the DeWalt 20V battery is a powerhouse that makes cleaning effortless. With a pressure of 1015 psi and a brushless motor running at 9000 RPM, it delivers reliable and efficient performance every time. One of its best features is the internal accessory storage compartment, which keeps all the parts organized and within reach. No more hunting for nozzles or spray heads. The wand comes with 4 spray nozzles: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, allowing you to switch between light rinsing and heavy-duty grime removal. Whether it's tar, grease, oil stains, rust, or other stubborn messes, this machine takes care of it with ease. From cleaning cars and patios to tackling walls and floors, this pressure washer is versatile and highly effective. It's compact, convenient, and perfect for making tough cleaning jobs manageable and hassle-free. Number 7. This foldable bamboo table is a fantastic addition to your Milwaukee Pack-Out toolbox system. It features a spacious and sturdy worktop, providing ample space for tools, electronics, and notes, making it perfect for repairs, maintenance, or assembly tasks. The compact and foldable design allows you to store and transport it easily, converting it into a stable workspace whenever needed. Built with a high-quality bamboo surface, it resists warping and cracking, ensuring durability for years of use. The table is supported by folding shelf brackets made of powder-coated steel, which prevents rusting and ensures reliability. With its robust construction, it can handle up to 200 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with the Milwaukee Pack-Out rail system, it fits snugly and securely into your setup. This table offers a blend of practicality, durability, and functionality for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The Gator Frameworks all-terrain folding multi-utility cart is a versatile and durable solution for transporting heavy equipment. Its heavy-duty welded steel frame can handle loads up to 500 pounds, while the non-skid grip tape surface keeps items secure during transport. This cart transforms into 8 different configurations, making it perfect for carrying a wide range of gear. It has stair climbers and folding handles, ensuring easy maneuverability even on challenging terrain. The tightening knobs and spring clip allow you to adjust and secure the cargo platform length safely, adding convenience and stability. With non-pneumatic tires, you won't have to worry about flats, and the operation remains hassle-free. Compact and lightweight when collapsed, it measures just 36 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 10.75 inches high, with a weight of 29 pounds. This cart is a reliable and efficient tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 9. This 3-tray rolling tool cart is perfect for mechanics and DIYers who need durability and convenience. Made from high-hardness cold-rolled steel, it offers excellent strength and can handle heavy loads and daily wear. Its surface is electrostatically sprayed with paint, making it resistant to rust and damage, so it lasts through tough use. The cart has 3 spacious trays and a sliding drawer with locks to keep small parts and tools secure, along with hanging holes on the side for added storage options. Moving it around is easy with 2 universal brake wheels that rotate 360 degrees, making it safe and flexible for different scenarios. The rubber-wrapped wheels prevent damage to floors and adapt to various surfaces. Whether you're working on auto repairs, organizing a warehouse, or setting up in a garage, this cart efficiently stores and transports tools and supplies for a hassle-free experience. Number 10. This 14-pack spot weld cutter set is a game-changer for anyone working with sheet metal. Built from top-quality steel, it boasts excellent thermal resistance, making it durable and reliable for long-term use. The cutting blade has a 3/8 inch diameter, and the arbor is a standard 1/4 inch size, ensuring compatibility with most power drills. The double-sided rotary cutter blade is highly effective for separating spot-welded panels, and when one side dulls, you can simply flip it over to use the other. A spring-loaded pin at the center guides the cutter with precision, leaving clean holes without distorting the metal. It works like a charm on thin stainless steel sheets, iron sheets, aluminum, or other thin metals like FRP+. Replacing dull blades is a breeze, adding to its efficiency. This tool delivers professional-level results while keeping the process smooth and straightforward for anyone who needs precision and performance. Number 11. The Dyself 16-piece craft knife set is a versatile toolkit designed for precision and creativity. It includes 3 hobby knives and 10 interchangeable blades, offering a variety of options to suit your needs. Curved blades are perfect for carving smooth, curved lines. Oblique fine-point blades excel in detailed work, and flat blades are great for chiseling or removing excess material. The blades are made from high-carbon steel, ensuring they're ultra-sharp and durable for long-term use. The silver hobby knife features a lightweight aluminum alloy handle that reduces hand fatigue during extended tasks, while the yellow knife's silicone handle provides a non-slip and comfortable grip for greater control. Whether you're carving pumpkins, working on intricate models, or tackling any craft project, this set is built to handle a range of tasks with ease and precision. It's a reliable and user-friendly choice for beginners and experts alike. Number 12. The Deck Board Straightening Woodworking Tool is a lifesaver for decking projects, making installation quicker and easier. Its ratcheting mechanism allows you to swing the handle effortlessly from different directions, using a mechanical ratchet to push the gear forward and straighten bent deck boards with precision. You can even lock the tool in place once the boards are perfectly aligned. The U-shaped tightener provides a wide contact area, preventing damage to joist tape and ensuring clean corrections. Its design also gives you enough space to use both hands for placing hidden fasteners and screws, speeding up the process. This tool is highly adjustable, fitting single and double joists with thicknesses between 0.3 and 3.2 inches. By tightening for bolts, it stays stable during use and eliminates the risk of sliding or damaging the joists. It's an efficient, single-operator tool that ensures a professional finish every time.